Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how you can pin a tweet in your Twitter account. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you have to open your Twitter account. So I'm already opened my Twitter account. You will notice in my Twitter account there is a pin, which means this post is pinned. So any visitor visit my Twitter account, all latest tweet will appear here and the pin post will appear here. So you also can do that in your Twitter account. Example, if you like to make any tweets on your profile to a pin post, you can just simply click this example. This is a tweets and I would like to make this on a pin post. So you have to click this down row icon and then you will see here pin to your profile. So if you click this pin to your profile, a new screen will pop up which will say pin this tweet to the top of your profile. Now this will replace any previously pinned tweets. And are you sure? That means if you click this pin, that post will be appear on the top and the previous all posts will be if there is any previous any post, that will replace it. So now this post is appear on the tip on the top and you will see there is a pinned tweet writing and also a pin icon. So this is how you can make any post pinned on your Twitter account. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.